Next topic is the complements. Actually, the complements are used to simplify the subtraction operation. So, whenever you can perform in the a minus b, for example, you can perform in the a minus b. So, a minus b means whenever you can perform in the a minus b. In this regard, require the complements. So that in the digital computer, the complements help. The complement help to take us to performing the subtraction operation. So, once you check. Complements are used to simplify the subtraction operations. Okay, in the digital computers, the complements are two types. Actually, the complements are two types. So, basically, these are actually two types. What are the two types? So, for example, you can see this. The complements are the two types actually. So, that what are the two types? The first one is called as the radix complement. That is called the radix complement. The second one is called as a diminished complement. The first one is the radix complement. The second one is the diminished complement. So radix complement is also called the Ars complement. Actually, we have taken that radix complement is also called as a radix complement is also called as a Ars complement. Ars complement and also diminished complement. Diminished complement is also called as a R minus 1 complement. It is also called as R minus 1's complement. Actually, in the digital computer, the radix complement is called as a Rs complement. The diminished complement is called as a R minus 1's complement. We can check this one. What is that Rs complement? So, decimal numbers it takes tens complement to represent to perform subtract operation. So, in this regard, why the binary number it takes 2's complement? Because the binary the base value is 2. Base is 2. So, it takes 2's complement. So, decimal base is 10. So, it takes 10's complement. So, in this regard, we can say binary numbers it takes 2's complement to represent and decimal numbers it takes 10's complement to perform subtractions. So, that first of all, what is the radix complement? What is the diminished complement? The first of all, we are explaining the diminished complement. What is the diminished complement? The diminished complement is called as a R minus 1's complement. Like this one, R minus 1. For binary numbers. So, what is the diminished complement? So, that is the diminished complement means that is the DC. Diminished complement value is that is the R's complement, R minus 1's complement. Here R equal to 2. So, because 2's base is 2. Because base value is 2. So, that R equal to 2. So, that here it is the R minus 1 complement. It is also diminished complement is also called as a R minus 1's complement. So, R minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So, it is called as a 1's complement. So, it is called as a 1's complement. It is called the 1's complement. So, diminished complement for binary numbers it represent for binary numbers diminished complement is 1's complement. It is called the 1's complement. So how to calculate one's complement? One's complement calculation. So that is the one's complement calculation. One's complement calculation. So in this regard, in the one's complement, 0 represents 1. 1 represents 0. So it is called as a one's complement. So that is called as a one's complement. So 0 represents 1. 1 represent. So what is the ones represent 0. So that for example, we are taking another example. In this example, you can take any binary number. The binary number, for example, 101101, for example. So what is the one's complement value? So it is the R. So it is the number. So one's complement value is one's complement. One's complement is 1 means 0, 0 means 1. Here the 1 means 0. Again, it is the 0. So that 0 means 1. The next one, and similarly, you can put any number like this one. So first of all, it is the 1 means 0. 1 means 0. 0 means 1. Again, 1 means in the top, it is the 1. So that 0, it is the 1. Sorry, 0. It is also 1. So 0, it is the 0. So 1 of that 1 means 0. So it is the one's complement value. It is called the one's complement value. So it is called the one's complement. For diminished complement for binary. For decimal. For decimal, diminished complement is R equal to 10 because base value decimal, because decimal base is 10. So it is the 10. So R minus 1 equal to, R minus 1 is equal to, so R minus 1 equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So it allows the 9's complement. 9's complement for decimal numbers. So for example, 9's complement value is 6. 9's complement calculation. 9's complement. 9's complement calculation. So once observe here. 9's complement means any number. For example, number n. You take number n. For example, number n. So 9's complement value is 9's complement value is 9's complement value is 9 minus n. So you can calculate like this. 9 minus n. So it is the 9's complement value. So for example, you can take example. For example, 7. 9's complement value is, for example, n equal to 7. What is the 9's complement? So 9's complement value is that is the 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So 2 is the 7 9's complement value. So in this regard, 2 is the, so 2 is the 9's complement value of value of 7. So that 2 is the 9's complement value of 7. So you can calculate the like this one. That is called the 9's complement. So that 2's complement means 9's complement. 10's complement means 9's complement plus 1. 2's complement means 1's complement plus 1. So that next you can calculate the 2's complement. 2's complement 2's complement calculation. So 2's complement calculation. In this regard, in the 2's complement, how to calculate 2's complement value? That is the 2's complement equal to formula, simple formula, that is called the 2's complement is equal to 1's complement plus 1. So 1's complement plus 1, that is called the 2's complement value. So any number, you can take this one, any number, already we have taken this number. So for example, calculate 2's complement of 101101. So first of all, you calculate the 1's complement. So it is the n. So for example, n equal to this number. So it is the n of n. So calculate 2's complement of n. So in this one, 1's complement value. What is the 1's complement? 1's complement of n. N is, what is that? 1's complement of n is equal to, so here the n. So how to calculate this one? 1 means 0, here the 0 means 1, here the 1 means 0, here the 1 means 0, here the 0 means 1, here the 1 means 0. So it is the 1's complement value. The next one, 2's complement. How to calculate 2's complement? 2's complement is the 1's complement plus 1. So 2's complement value can be calculated 1's complement plus 1. The next one, you can calculate the 2's complement. 2's complement. So how to calculate 2's complement of n is, so how to calculate 2's complement? So plus 1. Here plus 1. So you can plus 1 to form as 2's complement value. So you can perform in the addition operation. 0 plus 1 means in the add table. The add operation. The add operation, 0 plus 0 means 0, 1 plus 0 means 1, 0 plus 1 means 1, 1 plus 1 means 0. It is the formula. So in this one, it is the formula. 0 plus 0 means 0, 1 plus 0 means 1, 0 plus 1 means 1, 1 plus 1 means 0. In this one, carry is forward. So that 0 plus 1 means you can calculate 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 means, in this one, 0 plus 1 means 0 plus 1 means 1. 0 plus 1 means 1. Again 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So it is the number. After adding this complete number, you can get this is the 2's complement value. So 2's complement of our number is the 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So it is called the 2's complement value. So it is the any number. You can calculate 1's complement plus 1. So 1 means 0, 1 means 1. Again 1, it is not forward any carry. So 1, suppose if it is 1, so it is the 1 plus 1. 1 again carry is 1. So 1 plus 1 means it is the sum. In this one, it is the sum. Carry is also in the above 3 cases 0. In the